There's been a lot of talk about bailouts for insurance companies under Obamacare. But what are people actually talking about? Here's what you need to know. Written into the law were two programs designed to lessen risks for insurance companies. They both expire at the end of the year. So let's start with the Risk Corridor program. That program transfers money from insurers that made a lot of money during Obamacare's first years to those that lost a lot of money. But it hasn't quite worked out the way the Obama administration intended. You see, Republicans in Congress inserted language into a government spending bill restricting how the government could use the money to pay those insurers. And because more insurers lost more money in 2014 than anticipated, they received just a fraction of what they requested. And that adds up to a $2.5 billion shortfall. Now, insurance companies are suing the Obama administration for the rest of the money they say that they're owed. And there's some talk of the Justice Department reaching into a little-known pot of money called the Judgment Fund to settle with them. Conservatives say this amounts to bypassing Congress to give insurance companies the rest of their payments. And they want GOP leaders to either come up with a legislative fix to stop any settlements or sue the Obama administration. Next up is Obamacare's reinsurance program. Under this program, money from insurance companies collected by the government was supposed to first be repaid to the Treasury and then distributed to insurers. But after experiencing yet another shortfall, the government decided to pay the insurance companies first, which means the Obama administration stiffed the Treasury out of $5 billion over 3 years. The Government Accountability Office ruled that the Obama administration broke the law by directing money to insurance companies over the Treasury. And not surprisingly, the White House disagrees with their findings. 2 Republicans in Congress introduced legislation forcing the administration to repay that $5 billion to the Treasury. And more than 50 conservative groups are calling on lawmakers to pass those bills. Both the Risk Corridor and reinsurance programs have been criticized as bailouts for insurance companies. And as Congress heads into the lame duck session after the election, you'll be hearing a lot more about them.